So guys, this is what it looks like after a rainstorm at my house. Pretty crazy, right? This is the worst rain we've had all year. And it's even ponding on the roads too. This is nuts. Hopefully the Department of Highway Department's ready for this. This goes all the way down to my neighbor's house. Right in Russell. Out.